In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Roblox quick login feature. So first, you need to go ahead and open the Roblox application on your mobile device. Make sure that you're logged in and also make sure that the Roblox application is up to date. Now tap on the More icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. From this page, you need to simply scroll down and there you'll see the option of quick sign in the bottom, which is below the About section and beside Help and Safety. Go ahead and tap on that. Now you need to go ahead and enter the codes that you requested on other devices. Open your another device or the browser where you're logged in, and there will be the code displayed. And access the code from there and paste it in this box. Never enter a random code from Quick Login into your account. If you do, whoever gave you the code will gain access to your Roblox account and only use codes generated by your own devices to ensure only you can access your account. Enter the code displayed on the browser where you are not currently logged into your Roblox. Enter the code displayed and you'll need to confirm your login. The app will display your location, press and confirm, and you will then be automatically logged in. It's that easy to use Quick Login. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.